Yo, what up, guys? Welcome to PokeLive, home of the Pokemon. Hope y'all having a good day. Let's jump into it, guys. All right, so we're checking out the Pokemon TCG Holiday Calendar from 2022. They just dropped this release, I think, today, if I'm not mistaken. And you guys can go ahead and purchase it, put it in your cart, complete the transaction, and you will get it within 5 to 8 business days, if I'm not mistaken. Let's check out the product, what it looks like. First of all, let's read all the information that it says. It comes with 8 promo cards with Festive Stamp, including 2 Pokemon V and 1 Pokemon VMAX, 2 Pokemon coins, woohoo, okay, so 2 colorful sticker sheets. Oh my god, that's the reason why I'm buying it. And 1 Sidekick Dangler. Okay, 6 Pokemon TCG Sword and Shield series booster packs. Which obviously includes 10 cards within each booster pack, all that good stuff. I don't need to read that. Okay, it also comes with 6 Pokemon TCG that has free card, and it's a fun pack. Okay, I'll be showing you guys what that looks like. I had a look. It's different. Obviously, it comes with a code card in the box, right? All right. Okay, so let's check out the product, what it looks like. I'm not much of a guy for Christmas. That's just me for holidays and stuff like that. It's fun to be around family and loved ones, people that we love, right? Friends and all that good stuff. But except for that, I'm not much of a guy for presents, and I think it's just a grab for money. It don't really matter, okay? If you guys love Christmas or like to making presents, this might be a nice present that you can do to a child that you know, or even a grown-up that likes to collect these, okay? It's still a nice box. There we go. Okay, so this is what the box looks like. It really does look like it's Christmas in there, right? You got the tree in there. All that good stuff, right? You got the back right here. Okay, with some words, some nice little words. Side of the box right here. So, I mean, the box does look pretty good. But, you know, when I buy something, I don't really buy it for the box. Like I said, I mean, sometimes I do, right? I'm just not much of a guy for Christmas. And just holidays in general. Not much of a guy for that. And I mean, there's nothing wrong with being a holiday kind of guy. I don't really enjoy that stuff that much, to be honest. Why aren't you working? There we go. Okay, we're gonna skip that. Okay, so this is what it all comes with, right? You can see the big picture right here. Okay, Evolving Skies right there. I think it only comes with 1 Evolving Skies pack. In the back here, if I'm not mistaken, these are the fun cards that they're talking about. I'll show you guys within a minute. So you get these right here. These are the promo cards right here. Okay, these free cards. You got the coins over here. Whoopity-doo Basil. You got that keychain thingamajiggy. And you get the stickers. The stickers! That's why everyone's buying this, for the stickers, guys. Okay. Here we go. Okay. The packs that it comes with. Vivid Voltage, Chilling Ring, Evolving Skies, Fusion Strike, Brilliant Stars, Astral Radiance. Okay. The fun pack. These are what they call the fun pack, right? So I'm guessing it comes with 3 cards. It says right here on there. 3 additional game cards, and these are fun packs. So I'm not sure exactly what these fun packs look like. I'm not gonna lie, I've never seen this. I'm too new to the game to know. I'm just wondering if it's on the same level as like McDonald's cards. I don't know. My guess is as good as yours. So if you guys know the answer, maybe drop it in the comments, right? But yeah, so that's it, guys. So I mean, if any of you guys are interested in buying some of these, I mean, it might make a great gift. So and this is and the price as well is $64.99 Canadian currency. If I'm not mistaken, guys, it's approximately $50 in US currency. All right, I'm gonna leave you guys to it. Let me know if you guys like it in the comments. You know, I'm curious to know the vibes that you guys have, if you like it or if you don't really care for it. And yeah, drop a like, hit the sub, hit the notification, share with a buddy that likes this kind of stuff. And I'll catch you guys on the flip side. Peace out, love y'all, take care. Don't forget the PokeLive on a daily, y'all. Lightweight, baby. Boo!